How to use Apple's satellite feature when you have no signal. So I recently came across something surprising about Apple's satellite communication feature. If you go into the settings menu and head over to the Emergency SOS section, there's a Try Demo button that allows you to test this feature. This demo doesn't actually call emergency services, but what it does is test the satellite communication available in your area. Now obviously it won't work inside a room because for satellite communication, you need to be outdoors with a clear view of the sky. Here's how it works. The phone first turns off your mobile service because you only need this feature when you don't have mobile or Wi-Fi signals. After that, it guides you to a clear sky area, and once you're there, it may take a few minutes for the satellite to align above you. In my case, the satellite connected within 2 minutes. Then the phone instructed me to point it toward the satellite. As soon as I did that, it sent my location and emergency details directly through the satellite. Now, while this system doesn't work everywhere yet, it's something that needs to be implemented globally, especially in countries with frequent emergencies or remote areas where communication is critical. Think about it. In remote locations like mountain ranges or other isolated spots, this feature could be a lifesaver. Imagine being able to use it even at the top of some of the world's highest peaks, where traditional communication methods fail. Having satellite communication in such places could make a huge difference for adventurers, hikers, or anyone facing an emergency in a remote area. So, what do you think? Should this feature be available everywhere? I personally think it's a must, especially in places prone to emergencies. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe, stay connected no matter where you are.